Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this momentous occasion where we embark upon the journey toward a year of purposeful progress. I'm here to ignite within you the fire of transformation, guiding you along the path to personal growth and inspiring you to carve out a destiny filled with purpose and fulfillment. Let me ask you this: what does personal growth mean to you? It's not merely about ticking off achievements or reaching specific milestones. It's about embracing a mindset, a relentless commitment to becoming the best version of yourself. It's about the pursuit of excellence in every facet of your life, from your career to your relationships, from your health to your mindset. My friends, personal growth is not a destination. It's a journey, a continuous evolution towards becoming the person you are capable of being. It's about challenging your limits, expanding your horizons, and stretching beyond your comfort zone. Remember, the magic happens when you dare to step into the unfamiliar, when you push past your self-imposed boundaries and explore the vast landscape of your potential. Now, let's delve into the key principles that will guide us on this transformative expedition throughout the coming year. 1. Clarity of purpose. The very foundation of personal growth rests upon a crystal clear understanding of your purpose. Ask yourself, what drives me? What ignites my passion? Identify your passions, your dreams, and your aspirations. Visualize the life you desire to create. When you have a clear purpose, every action becomes intentional, propelling you forward with unwavering determination. 2. Commitment to continuous learning. Growth flourishes in the soil of knowledge. Make a commitment to lifelong learning. Read voraciously, seek wisdom from mentors, attend seminars, and embrace new experiences. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn, earning not just in monetary terms, but in the wealth of wisdom and skills that elevate your life. 3. Embrace resilience and persistence. Challenges are an inevitable part of the journey. They are not roadblocks, but stepping stones toward greatness. Cultivate resilience in the face of adversity. Embrace setbacks as opportunities to learn and grow stronger. Remember, it's not about avoiding failure, it's about bouncing back stronger each time. Persistence, my friends, is the key that unlocks the door to success. 4. Surround yourself with greatness. You are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose your circle wisely. Surround yourself with individuals who inspire, challenge, and support your growth. Engage with mentors, connect with like-minded individuals, and build a network that fosters growth and positivity. 5. Practice self-reflection and mindfulness. Amidst the chaos of everyday life, take time to pause, reflect, and introspect. Practice mindfulness. Be present in the moment. Understand your strengths, acknowledge your weaknesses, and work on improving yourself daily. Self-awareness is the compass that guides you on the path to personal evolution. My dear friends, the year ahead holds limitless possibilities for your growth and success. But remember, the journey of personal growth is not about overnight transformations. It's about consistent, purposeful progress. Take one step at a time, and as you look back at the end of this year, you'll marvel at the incredible distance you've covered. So, as you stand at the threshold of this new chapter, embrace it with passion, dedication, and a burning desire to evolve into the best version of yourself. Your destiny awaits. The path to personal growth lies before you. Seize it with courage, determination, and an unwavering commitment to your dreams. This year, let's embark on this journey together, and let's make it a year of purposeful progress. Thank you, and may this year be the beginning of your most extraordinary chapter yet.